Alright guys, we're back here at the Coco Land Resort. We're going to start phase 2 of the butterfly sanctuary. Getting ready to get on the tractor and head down that way. We'll see you guys when we get down there. Alright guys, my battery's just about dead on my GoPro, but this is going to be kind of the outline of the butterfly wings. And sorry about that, my GoPro battery went out on me, it ran down. But this little square section is going to be the enclosure, the sanctuary. It's gonna look like the body part of the butterfly, and they have it all marked off here, the shape of the butterfly. They're gonna plant flowers, different stuff butterflies like to drink the nectar of. And this little section right over here, what I was working on today, I'm not sure if they want any more of it taken out or not, but the wing's gonna come over around this side too. I might have to take a little bit more of this hump right here out if I can get to it, but coming right along, looking nice. You guys stay tuned.